Okay, we still keep continue on the sequence and the series. Today's subtopics which we're gonna look is the sum of first nth terms of arithmetic progressions. Leo kipengele ambacho tutaenda kuangalia ni the sum of the first nth terms of arithmetic progression. Welcome most. The sum of the first nth terms of arithmetic progression. I want to remind you that maybe we be asked to find the sum of the number from 1 up to 20. You can add by using normal ways, but that is the longest ways. So the simple ways of adding that number is by using formula. Mfano utakuwa umepewa labda namba ndefu, umeambiwa jumlisha namba moja kuanzia 1 hadi 20. Kwa hiyo ukianza kujumlisha moja plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 itakuwa ni njia ndefu sana. Kwa hiyo njia nzuri au na sahihi hii lazima utumie formula ambayo nitakuonyesha hapa chini, kwa makini nayo. Na ni tumaini langu kwamba katika series za nyuma uko vizuri kutafuta nth term, kutafuta common difference, and such alike. Welcome most. Okay, the formula of finding the sum of the first nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by Sn. The sum means n. What is n? N is number of terms over 2 bracket 2 times the first term. A1 is called the first term plus bracket n minus 1 bracket times d. What is d? D we know as is called the common difference. The difference is found by taking minus the second term or the next term minus the previous terms, you will get d. Kwa pale tuna nth term na d, na common difference kama nilivyosema kwamba tunachukua term ya mbele toa term ya nyuma ndio unapata d. Where this formula originated, it is originated from there. Hii formula imepatikana wapi? Imepatikana hapo. Kwa sometimes you can use this formula or sometimes you can use that. Is according to your given. Unaweza kutumia juu au ya chini, inategemea umepewa nini na swali lako linahitaji nini. Tutaona mifano mbalimbali ambayo inaelezea hizo formula zote mbili na matumizi ya formula zote mbili, lakini zote zinafanana, ila tu ni matumizi kutokana na given zako kurahisisha mambo yasiwe mengi. Basi tuendelee. That is, you can use the first formula and the second formula. This depends on your given. Your given is the one which determines which formula you use in your questions. Let's proceed to let's see examples. There you will understand how to use the two difference in appearance but the same in uses. Welcome. Example. Find the sum of the first 16 terms of the arithmetic progression. You see, there is our series is 3 plus 10 plus 17 plus dot. That is our series. But once want us to find the sum of the 16 term, it means from 3 is the first term. So from 3 there up to 16 terms, coming 16 terms, the sum of these numbers. It is very hard by using the normal formulas, because you must find the numbers there. First number, second number, third numbers. After 17, what the next number? After that next number, what is the next number? So first is the longest way, have a calculation. But the simple way is by using formula. Kwa unaweza kutumia njia mbalimbali kama kujumlisha namba. Unaanza kujumlisha moja term ya kwanza, second term, third term na kuendelea, lakini sasa itakuwa ni njia ndefu. Kwa hiyo kuna njia zake ambazo ni nzuri, na hii ni uwepo wa the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Example 2. This is example 2. The first term of arithmetic progression is 2 and the last term is 46. If arithmetic progression consists of 23 terms, find the number of all the term. Term ya kwanza umepewa na last term thamani yake unayo. If the arithmetic progression is consists 23 terms, so our arithmetic progression or our theories, I say arithmetic progression sometimes called series, progression sometimes called series. So if our arithmetic progression or arithmetic theories is consist of 23 terms, it has 23 terms. It means from the first term up to 23 terms, find the sum of all the term. Tafute sum ya termu zote. Kwa hiyo na termu ya kwanza hadi ya 23 na termu ya mwisho ya 23 thamani yake ni 46. Kwa hiyo tafute hiyo series. Okay, first you have to write solution as you see there on your screen. Let's start with example number 1. Example number 1, first write the series which you have. Andika series yako ambayo unayo. Na nimesema ukijumlisha 1 1 3 jumlisha 7 jumlisha 17 jumlisha namba inayokuja. Hii ni njia ndefu sana. The longest, the heaviest calculation ways and time wasting ways. Kwa ni njia ambayo inapoteza muda. Njia nzuri ni ipi? Njia nzuri ni kama ifuatayo. Andika series yako hiyo uliopewa. Our series. The first term, what is the first term? No, the common difference. I said to get the common difference, you must take the next terms minus the first minus. Want us to find the sum of nth term of 16 terms. So the nth or terms, number of term must be 16. Kwa sababu formula yetu imetutaka, swali letu limetutaka tutafute sum ya namba 16 ikianza 3 17. Kwa zile termu ya kwanza ambayo ni 3, ya pili ambayo ni 10 17, that terms must be 16 terms. So the number of term is 16. The first term is 3, as you see there. So that is enough to find the sum of that data we have there is enough for us to find the sum of all 16 terms in arithmetic progression. Data zetu zile unazoziona zinatusaidia sasa sisi kutafuta the sum of 16 terms of arithmetic progression. Let's see. Recall. That is our formula. The sum of nth term, n over 2. I said n is a number of terms. First bracket 2 times the first term plus bracket number of the term minus 1 times d. So 16 terms. 16 terms will be 16 over 2. 2 times 3 because 3 is the first term plus number of terms 16 minus 1 times 7. Kwa pale una 16. 16 ganya kwa 2. Bracket mabano 2 zidisha kwa 3 plus 16 toa 1 zidisha kwa 7 bracket. Kwa ni hesabu ambayo sio ngumu ukiwa tuna data zako umeziandaa vizuri. It's not a difficult mathematics if you have already prepared your data there. That is, so it be 8 bracket. When you take 2 times 3 you get 6. 6. And 16 minus 1 you get 15. 15 times 7 you get 105. All right, after that add there and multiply with 8. Your answer will be 188. That is the sum of 16 terms. So when you take 3 plus 10 plus 17 plus the next term plus the next term up to the 16 terms, the sum of that number is 888. Kwa ukichukua 3 jumlisha 10 jumlisha 17 jumlisha namba inayofuata pale ambao ni 24, jumlisha namba nyingine hadi zifike 16. Ukizijumlisha zile namba, jibu lake utapata 888. That is all about the sum. So the sum of the nth term is there to simplify life. It's there to simplify calculation. Take it in your mind. So the sum of 16 term, it will be 80. Let's see another example solution given. We have first term is 2. Mfano wa pili, first term is 2, nth term is 23, and the value of last term, that is last term is 23, is equal to 46. So the requires to find the sum of the terms of the all terms. Tuna term ya kwanza, tuna number of term. Number of term kwa sababu tumeambiwa term zetu ni 23. So from first term up to 23 terms. Na tumeambiwa ile term ya mwisho thamani yake ni 46. So find the number of terms. Are you there? Okay, let's proceed. Sum of 23. The place where there is n, please substitute n with 23. The place where there is first term, write 2 as our first term. You see there. The place where there is the last terms, that is a23, write 46. Go substitute. That's the issue of substitution. If you have your data, kama una data zako, if you have your data, the issue remains is substitute on. There's no difficulty. Issue is to formulate your data. If you already know your data, it will be simple and easy way to you to do calculation. Kwa kikubwa ukiwa na taarifa zako, basi vingine unaingizia tu, ni data za kuchomeka. Kama unavyoona kwenye swali letu tumechomeka kila sehemu. So it will be 23 times 40. After taking 2 plus 46, you get it to 48. Just multiply there. When you multiply, you get 552 divided by 2. No, after multiplication there and the division divided by 2, the answer is 552. So the sum of all the first term from the first up to the last its sum is 552. Kwa ukichukua termu ya kwanza ambao ni 2, kwa termu ya pili, termu ya 3, termu ya 4, termu ya 5 hadi zikifika 23, zile termu ukizijumlisha zote zile namba ambazo ziko kwenye ile termu, jibu lake unapata 552. Kazi kubwa tu ni kutengeneza